Hey guys, in this video we're going to do an unboxing and setup of my Spirit Halloween fogging skull pile. I did get just a little cheap 400 watt fog machine because I don't need a lot of fog coming from that. But let's get it unboxed and set up. It does come with a fog hose extender and a timer. And there we have the skull stack set up. I did buy a cheap little 400 watt fog machine from Spirit Halloween, and it just connects into the back. I have it running through a remote right now, the little remote section right there. You can actually plug into the back of the skull stack that has a motion sensor, but where I've got this located, the motion sensor wasn't picking up well enough, so I've switched it over to a remote. But when the motion sensor was triggered on the skull stack, it would also activate the fog machine, so the red flashing fire ember lights inside the skull stack would also start to fog.